Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are hosting mental health awareness soccer tournament, and the reason why we're doing this tournament is to remind our youth about mental health, about what's happening, is to reduce the stigma, also to do early interventions, and also have the community engagement. When we play sports, it keeps us close to each other, so we know what's going on in between our community, and it also keeps team leaders and players to be in touch, so that our youth would not feel like alone today. And we hope the winner takes the trophy.
My name is Nini Mohammed. Today we are here for the mental health awareness tournament right here. I'm one of the players, also the organizer, and I coach that team over there. Message to the people outside, and they can host tournaments like this and bring people together.
Our community is, we love to play soccer, and to make soccer a way for our community to come together and check up on each other and making sure that we're all good.